You might be wondering if you can really make money online by just watching videos, and the answer is yes, you can. Hello, it's Isaac here. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money online by simply watching videos using your laptop or your mobile phone. There is a good chance that you already watch videos during your free time, but do you know how you can earn money doing so? Believe it or not, there are companies that are willing to pay you for watching video ads, movie trailers, and app trailers online. With all these opportunities on the internet, there is no reason why you should be dead broke or not be able to make money from the comfort of your home. Getting paid to watch videos can make you some extra cash each month, but it's not usually a full-time income. You need to take note of that. It is something you should do on the side, like a side hustle or something you do maybe together with a job. If you are able to watch these videos consistently on any of the websites I'm going to be sharing with you shortly, you should be able to make more than $100 per week, and I think that is good money to start with. However, there are people who get paid to watch videos online and bring in just a few extra dollars per week, far below what they are expecting. Most of the time, the reason for that is that they are not consistent. So that means if you are going to do this, you need to be consistent. These websites offer points that can be exchanged for free gift cards or paid straight into your PayPal account. So next time you are watching videos on your phone or your laptop, there are some options for turning it into a profitable side hustle. The first way I want to talk about is through Swagbucks. This website has paid its members over $690 million. They also give out 7,000 gift cards every single day. I mean, every single day they give 7,000 gift cards to their members. That is people who watch videos on their website, and you can be part of that 7,000 today. These are some of the reasons why Swagbucks is said to be one of the largest reward sites on the web. The website lets you watch videos to earn points, which are called SBs. Each SB is worth about 1 cent, and there is no minimum withdrawal amount, although most rewards start at $3. Payment options include gift cards for popular retailers like Amazon, Target, Walmart, as well as real money sent to your PayPal account. The types of videos you will be shown on Swagbucks will vary, but you can expect plenty of short clips like ads, news content, and viral videos. The site also gives you the chance to make money by taking online surveys and a whole lot more. The site will let you set a target amount of SBs to aim for that day. If you manage to reach your goal, it will add some extra bonus points on top for you. All these are to encourage you to be consistent and achieve your goals for joining the website, which is to make some decent money. This website has been featured on reputable news platforms. It also has a good rating on Trustpilot with a trust score of 4.3 from over 25,000 reviews. Swagbucks also comes with a great referral program. For each friend that signs up using your link, you earn 10% of how much they earn for life. Keep in mind that this does not take away from their earnings. Signing up on Swagbucks is easy, and there is a 10% bonus for signing up. To sign up, visit the Swagbucks website at www.swagbucks.com, enter your email address and set up a unique password, or you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Other beautiful things about Swagbucks is its wide variety of ways to earn, its low minimum cash out, the quality of its online video content, and its solid reputation. Another website that can pay you to watch videos online is InboxDollars. With InboxDollars, you are going to get paid in cash and not points, which is a beautiful thing, right? InboxDollars has a very good reputation, having paid out over $80 million in cash rewards to its members. This site is a legitimate site that will pay you to watch videos online. However, be aware that you can only get paid to watch videos via your desktop browser and not using the mobile app. InboxDollars has a variety of videos in different categories available for you to watch on its video channel. You'll be able to see how much you can earn before watching, and you can watch as many videos as you want. InboxDollars makes money from big companies that want you to see their content and shares a portion of the earnings with you. That is how the money comes about. As you watch more videos, you also have the opportunity to earn virtual scratch-off cards with hidden cash prizes. Once you earn up to $30 in your account, you'll be able to cash out via PayPal, select gift cards, or request a check. You will get a $5 bonus upon signing up and activating your account, and that's pretty easy to do. To sign up on InboxDollars, visit InboxDollars.com, enter your email address and set up a unique password. That's all. Another website I would like to share with you that will pay you money for watching videos online is Cointiply. Cointiply is a special platform because it pays you in Bitcoin for watching videos on its website. You can visit Cointiply and start making money online by watching videos from your phone. Cointiply gives you points called Satoshis as rewards for watching videos. 1 million Satoshis make a Bitcoin. This is another great way for you to earn Bitcoin as well, but you need to have lots of patience for that. However, if you wish to convert Bitcoin into fiat money, you can use websites like Coinbase, Binance, and so many other similar platforms for that. Number 4 I'm going to be sharing with you is Kashkick. Like other tried and true websites that I have listed, Kashkick users can get rewarded for watching short videos and completing other tasks on their computer or mobile devices. The payout for each activity varies, and users can choose to cash out their earnings via PayPal once they have $10 in their Kashkick account. With Kashkick, you also have the option to refer friends and earn rewards. When a friend signs up with your referral link and completes tasks on Kashkick, you will get a 25% commission on their total earnings. With Kashkick, you also have the option to refer friends and earn rewards. When a friend signs up with your referral link and completes tasks on Kashkick, you will get a 25% commission on their total earnings. If you have friends or family who are eager to earn extra cash in their spare time, making referrals can be a great way to add to your earnings on the website. Number 5 on the list is AdWallet. AdWallet is an ad platform where companies pay for your full attention. After watching a video, you will be required to answer a question or complete a short survey, or sometimes to provide your email address. The minimum payout is $10 and can be claimed via direct deposit or gift cards. Number 6 on the list is Earnably. The last website on the list that I'm going to be sharing with you is Earnably. Earning money has never been made easier with Earnably. This website also gives people who need to work at home an avenue to earn without exerting much effort or having extra time to do more things. By simply watching videos all day, you can earn a certain amount of money already. This is made possible by the advertisements present in every video. Various video providers in partnership with Earnably pay points for the videos watched. The user has their own discretion on which videos are to be viewed or played. It can keep running the whole day depending on your availability. Users can earn points on this website by watching videos and later convert those points to money. This is also one of the fastest paying reward sites around. So whether you're looking for ways to make money online through a weekend side job or a part-time work from home gig, this can be the answer that you're seeking for. And there is no reason you can't work for more than one company if you have the extra time to do that. You won't get rich by watching videos, but you could make extra money online in your spare time. All of the sites I mentioned are free to join, so feel free to try a bunch of these options before choosing a few you plan to stick with for the long haul. Don't forget to subscribe if you would love to see more helpful videos like this on your timeline. See you in the next video. Bye for now.